Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to factorize 8 upon 27 x cube minus 2x square y plus 9 upon 2 xy minus 27 upon 8 y cube. So if we see the expression that is relating with the a minus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b square, right? So let's write the identity first. So identity says a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus 3. So if you see the first and the last term, they are the perfect cubes. So let's find out the middle terms, 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay, so we can write it as 2x upon 3, right? We'll leave some space for the two terms, and then we'll write 3 upon 2 y whole cube, right? So sorry, this is minus and this is minus, right? So now it's 3, right? And then we'll write 2x upon 3, and then we'll write the b, that is 3y upon 2, and then we'll write 3a 2x upon 3, and then we'll write 3y upon 2, that is b, right? So I don't edit my videos, so please let it be with the mistakes. I will correct it in the flow, or if you find any mistake you can write it in the comments also, right? So we have the 3a square b 3ab square terms over here. Now let's solve and see it matches with our question. So it's 2x upon 3 minus, and over here we have to put the square also. So now we can write it as 3 into 2 to the 4 x square into 3y upon 3 into 3 into 2, right? And then plus 3 into 2x into 3 3 the 9, right? Y square upon 3 into 4, right? Then we have minus 3y upon 2 whole cube. Okay, so let's solve the two middle terms. So we'll cancel out 3 by 3, 3 by 3, and 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. So we can write this term as, so we don't have anything in the denominator, so we can write this term as 2x square y, and that is exactly matching with our second term. And let's solve for the third term. So 3 cancel out with 3, and it's 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. So we can write it as 9 upon 2 y square, and here is the x. So it is plus 9 upon 2 x y square, right? And here we have also the square. So now we can write b cube and 2x upon 3 b a cube. So it exactly matches with the question, and we can write this as 2x upon 3 minus 3y upon 2 whole cube, and we can write this as 2x upon 3 minus 3y into 2x upon 3 minus 3y and 2x upon 3 minus 3y upon 2. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.